Hey guys, I'm just doing a stencil on this headboard, but I figured I'd do it in a little bit of a different way. So I've got my stencil and I've got my spray adhesive that I bought from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like $5 or $6. And then I have my gold leaf sheets. I'm running pretty low on these, but you can buy them on Amazon. I just bought 100 5x5 sheets for I think $6. So it's a pretty good deal. I don't use them a lot. The 5x5 pretty much fills my hand, as you can see later on in the video. So to do this, I'm just gonna line my stencil up. The stencil's kind of dirty actually, so when I sprayed, I didn't want whatever paint and gold was sticking on there to stick onto the adhesive. So I turned it around and got it lined up, and now I'm spraying right over my stencil. So my stencil does not fit in this little nook that I want my stencil in. So I kind of just put it as close to it as possible and sprayed. And as you can see, when I lifted the stencil away, I got the pattern perfectly. That's one of the reasons why I love doing this spray with the stencils, because there's no bleed through. I always seem to have some bleed through with the Dixie Belle satin. It's not the product, it's me. I'm not great at using it for that purpose. So I do like using the spray adhesive, and it's been a long time since I've done that, so I kind of wanted to do it again, and I forgot how easy it was. I just am letting it tack up right now, and now I'm gonna start maybe like a minute, let it tack up for like a minute, and now I'm gonna start applying my gold leaf sheets. The sheets come with this little like wax paper on either side, so that you can just take the paper. As you can see, I've got some sticking to my hands, so that will kind of help prevent the gold leaf from sticking to everything and easier to apply. You apply it just as I am. You apply it right from the sheet onto your project, and that's it for now. The gold leaf is very thin, so I think that the sheet really helps keep it where you want it to go for sure. And I think that's a great part of that product when they mail it. Again, I buy my gold leaf off of Amazon, so I do like that it's like that. I mean, I'm sure that, you know, anywhere you buy it, it's going to be like that, but... So I'm just kind of taking my sheet and I'm patting it on. And I'll do that again later, after a few minutes, after it's dried a little bit with a brush, and you will see that. So I'm just going to repeat this process until I get to the end. So you just want to kind of let your spray adhesive dry a little bit, tack up, make sure that your gold leaf is adhering to it. And now you're going to want to take a brush. Usually I take a cheap brush, like a chip brush, just in case the adhesive gets through the paper or rips, because sometimes that does happen, just depending on. And I'm just taking my brush and I'm patting and dabbing my brush into the gold leaf. This will make sure that it's adhering to my spray adhesive and that I don't have any issues, because once it dries, and you'll see I'll go back through again with more of like a rough circular motion, and I'll buff away all of that excess gold. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. So as you can see, I'm going in kind of after that initial patting my gold leaf into my spray adhesive in the stencil pattern, I'm going in a little more rough now so that I take the excess off. Right now I'm focusing on kind of the parts that aren't down at all, aren't glued down at all. So that's usually the edges, kind of where they overlap, the ends, top and bottom. And then once I've kind of got that cleaned up, I'm gonna go back in, kind of like I said before, with a rough, more circular motion. I'm gonna zoom in here so you guys can actually see a little bit. It almost looks 3D. You can see the pattern with the gold leaf, so that means it's sticking, and that's fantastic. So this is actually really fun to watch. I'm gonna start going in. I kind of gave it a little feel just to make sure. I felt like it was dry enough, and I'm gonna start going in and really buffing the excess gold leaf out. And it's really, really amazing even now to watch it again and just kind of see the pattern, you know, being unveiled with this brush. You can see all the excess, you know, moving from the right to the left. And I think it's just fantastic, and it's so, so pretty. It almost gives, it's so crisp. It's a great stencil, but it's still, not stencil, but method. And it just, for some reason, it reminds me of like this old world look. I don't know, because it's just so crisp and clean, but the stencil is fantastic, and it's one of my favorites for sure. So again, I'm just gonna go in and buff, buff, buff. As you can see, kind of rough circular motions. If you are doing this and you feel like your, you know, adhesive or whatever you're using is too wet, stop. You will pull, you'll ruin it. You'll pull the gold leaf, I mean, and you'll ruin your stencil, and you'll be mad. It is hard to wait, but that's why I like the spray adhesive. It's kind of more immediate result almost, but still, even that was a little tacky. So that's it. Very easy.